Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are asked whether a vertical line intersects the graph of a function at most once. So if we're looking at a function, f of x, we have some vertical line x equals a. For the line to intersect the function more than once, that means that for x equals a, we have the value f of a equals some value f1, and it also equals some value f2, right? For this to occur, where we have this vertical line, the value of the function at this line at x equals a has to equal more than 1 point. Here I actually have 3. And this cannot be the case because every input into the function must have a unique output. Therefore, f of a can't equal f of 1 and f of 2. This is the basis for the vertical line test. And because of this, we know that this statement is true.